This right here is a girl's dream. I just have to let you get this close-up moment. I didn't have a pen and paper. I got to the mic and I was like, oh, I grew this. This right here is scalp. I really feel like that girl because I quite literally am. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel and back to yet another video. If you're new here, my name is Alicia, but the girls call me Lee, and I make videos on fashion, hair, travel, and beauty. So if that's your vibe, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. The girlies said that they are looking for a true protective style. Come closer. Come. Hi loves, I got a new unit from HerGivenHair, my fave. And of course, y'all know this unit comes with all of the accoutrements. How to style it, how to care for it, a package to store it, extra clips. It's another kinky unit. I'll tell you one thing, HerGivenHair does not skip on the density thick. But the difference between this unit, it has kinky edges that you can do minimal leave out or no leave out. The unit itself comes with 3 clips. You have the clip at the top, 2 clips on the side, the 1 clip in the back. Because this is one size fits all, it does have a drawstring. Y'all know how y'all be saying the back is none of my business? In this case, the base is none of my business. Now this is what the unit looks like fresh out, no fluffing. And the first thing I need to do is just loosen this up. I need to fluff it out. So I'm just going to use a wide tooth comb, pick it out. You have to trust the process. I'm mainly going to cut a little bit more layers in the front. See, there's not a lot of hair coming off. That's it. And I always cut my units on my head. We'll just repeat the process. This is the back. The back might not be none of my business. I don't know what the back looks like. I feel like the kinky edges look really good, but I also know we can amp it up. Here's what the edges look like up close. They're basically the same texture of the hair, but they're just short pieces. If you take them, pull them forward, and they go all around the front of the unit, even on the sides, then you really get that edges look, which is another reason why I like to cut the front of my units, because I feel like it just blends best with the edges. And I'm not even using any tools. Take a brush or an edge control brush and kind of back comb, because you really need to lose some of the definition right here at the edges. Even better, right? I just have to let you get this close-up moment. Just take it in for a bit. It's not clockable. It just needed a little bit of shaping. I like to push my units back a little bit. My forehead isn't big. So I'm gonna use a rat tail comb and take out the tiniest bit of edges. So you can see how my hair is a little straight right here. Those are actually edges. Gently pulling out, because I don't want to snag or pull on my hair. This is my hair. That's my hair. I'm not one of them that really wants my unit to be that different from my hair. If you really want a seamless install, seamless blend, you have to get a texture that matches your hair. Then I just take this rat tail comb and I comb it right back. This right here is scalp. That's what this gives. This gives me scalp. You see how quick and easy it was? It's like 5 minutes. I don't have to tell you what you can already see. Yeah, I grew this. Now with some water and with some mousse of your choosing, we're gonna style this, do like some finger coils, a little extra something. I tell you one thing, HerGivenHair does not skip on the density. Then I'm just taking the end and I'm going to finger coil them to clump the curls. I'm doing all different sizes. I've also seen this method where you roll it around the finger and then you release it. And then you can see that full 18 inches. And now it's coming to life. And just like that, we are down to one section. Look at what this is giving. So the same method, you really need to make sure that you saturate the hair. If it don't glisten like that, just a mousse. With any kinky, curly unit, you are basically going to treat it like it's your own. I mean, that alone would be a beautiful wash and go. It's not what we're doing though, but just know like you have options, you're not limited. Wow. And now we wait. This is gonna end up looking like a totally different unit, but I'm gonna let my hair dry. Notice I said my hair because it's going up the scalp. But now I think air drying is fine. Then I'll come back in, do a little bit of picking, a little fluffing, and voila. I didn't have a pen and paper. I got to the mic and I was like, oh, travel around, let the pot strictly. The point is that you don't need much. So let's just take it in for a second. You can see the definition. So just pulling apart some of these pieces. Me not doing much always results in me doing too much. This cut inadvertently gave me like a little bit of a bang, which I'm not mad at, but don't get it twisted. When the wind blows, kinky edges. Yeah, I really ate with that. Listen, but let me show you the bag just so you can see it's unclockable. It looks really good. You can bend down, do all of the things. I'm pretty sure it looks good. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. It's a reason why I wear HerGivenHair units the most often. The quality is there, the versatility is there. They quite literally have a unit for every hair texture, density, curl pattern, and color, because they do really, really amazing color. This right here is a girl's dream. My hair has really grown so much. I just wanted to share that with you before I take it off. All of the specs, details, sales, links are gonna be left down in the description bar for your convenience. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.